Realme launched its new smartphone under C-series in Vietnam called Realme C75 with armor shell protection. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme C75 features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it is protected by armor shell tempered glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by latest MediaTek Helio G92 Max chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 16GB by using internal storage, and it has 128, 256, or 512GB of onboard storage, which is expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme C75 sports a 50-megapixel main camera, along with the unspecified lens, and for selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.69 by 76.22 by 8mm, and it weighs around 196 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme C75 has been priced in Vietnam for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 5,690,000 Vietnamese dong, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 6,490,000 Vietnamese dong, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 7,490,000 Vietnamese dong. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from December 1st, in lightning gold and black storm color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme C75 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.